Hey, how's it going today? I'm going to talk about the safety switch on my bandsaw and another low-cost, low-tech mobile base in my shop. Here is the safety switch. I used a 1/2-inch piece of plywood, drilled a hole in it, and took it on to the scroll saw, cut the shape out. You can see we have a small brass hinge and the original switch that came with the saw. Another moving dolly. I took the casters off, replaced them with double locking swivel casters. Here is a cast iron piece of metal I use as ballast. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and remember, most things are easy once you know how.